Our next act is by Nik and Lowell performing the Dead Parrot skit from the British comedy Monty Python.
Wait, I know this one. What? It's about a dead parrot. Oh. Okay, give it up for Lowell and Nik.
Hello? I wish to register a complaint. Hello? Miss?
What do you mean, miss?
I'm sorry, I have a cold. I wish to make a complaint.
We're closing for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this parrot, what I purchased not half an hour ago from this very store.
Oh yes, Norwegian Blue. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. He's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
No, he's not dead. He's resting.
Look, I know a dead parrot when I see one. And I'm looking at one right now.
No, he's not dead. He's resting. Remarkable bird, the Norwegian Blue, and a beautiful plumage.
The plumage don't enter into it. It's stone dead.
No, he's not dead. He's resting.
All right then. If he's resting, I'll wake him up. Oh, Mr. Polly Parrot! I've got a lovely fresh fish for you with beef stew.
Damn, you moved.
No, he didn't. That was you as a kid. Yes, you did.
I never did anything.
Oh, testing. This is your number. Now that is what I call a dead parrot.
No, you're stunned.
Stunned?
Yeah, you stunned him just as he was waking up. Norwegian Blue stunned easily, Major.
Now look, I've had enough of this. That parrot is definitely deceased. And when I purchased it, not half an hour ago, you assured me that its total lack of movement was due to it being tired and shagged out following a prolonged squawk.
Probably pining for the fjords.
Pining for the fjords? What kind of talk is that? Look, why did he fall flat on his back the moment I got him home?
Oh, well, because the Norwegian Blue was keeping on his back. Remarkable bird and having lovely plumage.
Look, I took the liberty of examining that parrot when I got it home, and I discovered that the only reason it had been sitting on its perch was that it had been nailed there.
Well, of course I hadn't nailed it there, but I hadn't nailed it to its perch. It was nuddled up to those bars, bent apart with its beak, and boom!
Voom? And this bird won't voom if you put 4 million volts through it. It's demised.
He's probably pining.
He's not pining. He's passed on. He's a stiff. Birth of life, he rests in peace. His metabolic processes are now history. He's expired and gone to meet his maker. He's off the twig. He's kicked the bucket. He's shoveled down the ground. This is an ex-parrot.
Well, I better replace it then. Well, I've had a look around the back of the shop and we're out of here.
I see. I get the picture.
I got a slug.
Does it talk?
No.
Oh, that is hardly a replacement then, is it?
No, I guess not.
Well,
Wanna go get a cup of tea?
yeah, all right, sure.
So wait.